Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're doing a gift guide for astronomy lovers today. And for any of you who don't know me already, I'm a huge astronomy geek. So anything to do with space, globes, maps, geology, astronomy, all of that stuff, I'm like a huge geek. Like science, that's my thing. Let me get the first item out. Now, when I show you this, it's not gonna look exciting on camera, okay? But I promise you that these are one of the most exciting things for an astronomer, astronomy geek. So just as long as you know, this is not gonna look very exciting on camera. You could mistake that for just a dirty rock, but this is a meteorite from the Sahara Desert. So normally wherever you're buying meteorites, whether it's at a rock shop or you go to the gym show, like I always get mine all from the gym show when it comes to Tucson, or if you're ordering online, they will always have a little card with the information on where that meteorite was found and all the little details about it. So it's like a nice little collector's card, with the piece. So as you're collecting them, you can remember where each one came from and a little information about it. So I think that would be a really cool gift idea, just to have that sort of nicely packaged together, And you know what else makes meteorites a cool gift idea is that they're not gender specific, they're not age specific. Like anyone from a young child to an elderly person can enjoy a meteorite. If it's something that they're into, like anyone who's into space is probably gonna really enjoy a meteorite because it's just a really cool thing to have. Another idea, if you have someone who already has a meteorite collection started, you could get them a cool little way to organize them, like some sort of little organizer. I keep them in these little boxes. These are really inexpensive. You can get them at display stores. I just got them, or online too. You can order them like in a pack of a dozen, and they just snap together so it keeps them, all like tidy and organized in there so they don't get mixed up or damaged or anything. But I mean, not that it's gonna get damaged. It flew through space to crash on Earth, and I think it's gonna do okay. And you know what else is? They make meteorite jewelry, which is super cool. If you've seen some of the cool rings and pendants that they make out of meteorites, there's some awesome designs out there. So meteorites and meteorite jewelry rank high on my list as a gift idea for any space lovers out there. Okay, our next gift idea is a customized star map. So I ordered these star maps on, I have a couple of them here. I ordered them on thenightsky.com. I think that's their website. I will have them linked below. So a star map I thought would be a great gift idea because these are customizable, and you just go on the website, you put in whatever date, and it generates what the stars were doing on that particular day or night. And then it has a place where you can put in a title and then a little description so you know what it is, what the special occasion was. Maybe it's someone's date of birth, maybe it's an anniversary or some sort of special event that you went to. So you're putting in the date, and you also put in the location too. So it shows you that exact location wherever you were in the world. So star maps, another great gift idea for anyone who is into astronomy or who just loves the stars, So, and again, it's something that can be for any age too. Like anyone can appreciate one of those. So it's thenightsky.com is where I ordered ours, but there's a bunch of other places too, and on Etsy also, who make star maps. And another one who I have another map from, but it's a map of Tucson. Wait, hold on. Modern map art, that's it. Yes, modern map art on Etsy. So she's really cool. Jennifer is the owner of that company. But either way, there's all kinds of suppliers for these, but that's where I got ours, and then our Tucson map, who she also does star maps now too. So customized star map I think is a really special gift idea because it is related to a special date or a special event or experience for the person. And also it'd be really nice if you had it pre-framed, like custom frame it, or go find a frame that fits it, and have it all ready to go for them so they can just hang it on the wall. And I think that's a great gift idea. See, I love the light. When it moves closer to the light, it spins a little bit faster. So this is a Moba Globe. While we're on the topic of maps and globes, I gotta share a couple of globes that I think are really cool with you guys. Moba Globes are definitely one of them, and you guys actually reminded me of this because one of you had asked me just in one of these last gift guide videos if we still have our Moba Globe, if we love it, if it's still working. Yes, it works awesome, and here it is still spinning. And when it gets into the brighter light, it spins a little bit faster. And as the light, like in the evening time, it starts to slow down. It still spins, but it works off of, it's solar powered, so it needs to have light to be able to work. So at nighttime, it just stops. So they come with different stands. This is the one that I have, just their simple one, but I don't want to put it on the stand right now because I'm nervous I might drop it. but I think that these are so cool. And you know what else? So this is the moon one, but they have all different ones. They have Earth globes, they have Jupiter globes, you know, all the planets. They are so neat. You know, they're definitely like a luxury globe, you know, so they're, you know, on the higher end. So they're definitely a luxury gift idea. And what's really cool about this is not only does it show the seas, but it also shows like all the little impact craters. So they actually took the information from NASA to produce this. So all the impact craters and everything is accurate to the information that NASA has. So I just wanted to update you guys on the Moba Globe. It is still working beautifully and we absolutely love it. And I think it's a great luxury gift idea for anyone who loves globes or astronomy, planets, you know, all of that. I will put Moba Globe's information down below, their website. And you know what else? Because they are a luxury item, they do come with a warranty too. So that's the moon for Moba Globes, but then they also have quite a variety of different color schemes for home decor, so it can fit into whatever home decor color palette you have. And then they also have the planets on there too. So they've got quite a variety and they make them in different sizes and with different stands too. But I will have all their information down below if you want to check them out. So definitely a cool luxury gift idea for any globe lovers out there or astronomy lovers. Okay, I have another globe that I want to show you. It's also a moon globe. This is Sky and Telescope's moon globe, and this is also NASA accurate. So they took the information from NASA, all the pictures, and put it together to create an accurate depiction of what the moon is actually like, with all the craters, and all the craters are detailed and everything with the names of each one and the seas and everything. This is freaking amazing. I thought this was so cool. So I found this actually at an estate sale. Well, it was an estate sale shop and it was $30. I know that they do have them online still. I think at least the last time I checked, they were around $100. But anyway, I thought that was a really cool find, and I think it's just really neat because it's so detailed. Keep that in mind, you know, you might come across one of these at a garage sale or an estate sale sometime, and now you'll be able to, you know, spot it and you'll know, oh hey, that is a Sky and Telescope moon globe and those are worth over $100. And maybe it's like super cheap, you know, maybe someone's just trying to get rid of it or something and you spotted it and scored like a really rare globe, or what could be a very rare globe in the future. So I just wanted to share that with you. Always keep your eye open for really unique globes, and you just never know what you're going to come across for a great deal. Okay, so we're talking about globes, and I can't leave out just a beautiful globe of the Earth. And maybe the person's into home decor, and you could get them a beautiful globe that reflects their color palette or something, you know. Like I love whites, and so I've got this white and silver one. I found this at Home Goods a couple of years ago. Absolutely love it. It has a very modern, sleek design, and I love the color combo. I think especially for people that love to travel or just love the idea of going to different places around the world, you know, globes and maps just connect with them in a really special way, you know. So for those kind of people, a beautiful globe is a great gift idea. Okay, astrophotography wall art. Absolutely gorgeous gift idea. So this, I'm gonna bring some pictures up on the screen. I do have one piece from a local photographer, and actually I'll put his website up on the screen. His name's Sean Parker, and he takes amazing astrophotography pictures. These astrophotographers just know exactly what settings on their camera to use to pull out the landscape and like the Milky Way and all the stars and everything, and just create beautiful works of art with their photography. It's just incredible to see. So I'll pull his website up here so you can see it, but if you go on there, you can actually book workshops and learn how to do astrophotography also. So whether it's for yourself or if you're giving it as a gift, you could book a workshop class and give that to the person, and that would be really cool because it's a whole experience, you know. So astrophotography wall art or classes, those are both on my list as two separate items, because even if you don't want to go out and learn how to do it yourself, you know, you can just buy a beautiful work of art, like one of their photography pieces, to have as wall art in your home. And they are seriously gorgeous, especially some of the desert shots that they do here. Oh my gosh. So I'll have Sean's website below. Definitely check him out if you are into astrophotography, whether you just want a beautiful piece of wall art or you want to book a workshop and go learn how to take astrophotography pictures yourself. I will link Sean Parker's Instagram down below too. Definitely check him out, follow him on there. He has all kinds of really cool pictures of Aurora Borealis, aside from, you know, the beautiful astrophotography too. Okay, another gift idea also has to do with giving an experience, and that is a stargazing tour, and they have stargazing tours all over the world. If you go on to spacetourismguide.com. I will have that link below. You can actually keep up, you can sign up to their email or whatever, just go on there and check it out. Space tourism is a real thing. So they have just all places around the world that they talk about, and they have newsletters about and everything, talking about, you know, the top locations on the planet to go and experience, you know, stargazing and aurora borealis and all kinds of, you know, celestial phenomenons and celestial events and everything. It's just really cool for like-minded people to kind of get together and connect, you know? Oh, another experience that rolls into the stargazing tours, because there are some stargazing tours that I want to go on. Like Sedona has a stargazing tour that I want to take Michael on. I think that would be really fun. And if we do that, do you guys want me to vlog it? Do you want me to like vlog the whole experience so you could kind of see how it would be? If you want me to, let me know and I can definitely do that. But along with the stargazing tours is there might be a place in your area that you can go to for free, and people just set up their telescopes and it's like a free stargazing session basically. So we have a couple places in town here, or I mean there may be more, but there's only a couple that I know of right now. But there's Starizona, which is super cool. It's a telescope shop and it's up here on the way to Oral Valley. And they have like is it Friday or Saturday night? Shoot, I can't remember. I'd have to look. I'll put their website below. But if you're in the Tucson area and you love stars and stargazing, then go to Starizona on that night, and all of these people get together and they set up all their telescopes. So if you don't have a telescope but you want to kind of get into it, going to one of these stargazing events, you know, that are oftentimes free, and everyone just wants to get together, you know, and just look at stars, and that would just be fun to chat with people, look at stars, and take pictures of them probably too through their telescopes. Oh, you know what? Here comes Michael. So if you hear some noises, he's gonna be coming in here in just a minute. Okay, sorry, the lighting might be changing. The sun is just starting to come through our front window in the glass here, so I'm gonna try to avoid that so it doesn't freak out the lighting too much. But another great gift idea are big coffee table books that have gorgeous images of the universe, and there's all kinds of beautiful astronomy books out there, but any type of astronomy book really. So it doesn't have to be like a big coffee table book, although they do make some really nice ones. So this one is the universe, images from the Hubble telescope, but there's so many great astronomy books out there. I just love the Hubble telescope shots of deep space and nebulas and everything. So yeah, there's all kinds of awesome space and astronomy books, and they're always welcome. They're always a tool and a resource that can be used in anyone's library who loves astronomy and space. And you know what else? Aside from just the astronomy books, geology books too, or like pictures from space is another really great idea, especially for a coffee table book, because there's so many beautiful shots from space taken of the Earth, and just gorgeous. Like, I swear those pictures are like looking at a gem, you know, like an untouchable gem, but you're living on it. Okay, next on our gift idea list is a home planetarium, and there's a whole variety of them. There's all different brands that make them. If you check out Amazon, there's a whole bunch on there, and there's some that are more like star projectors, and there's galaxy projectors, some that are a little more just for, you know, children and like setting the ambiance in their room, like a relaxing ambiance for when they're going to sleep or something. And then there's some planetariums that are made to be more accurate, more precise, and show like a lot more stars and the Milky Way and everything. So that's what this one is. This is a Sega Toys Home Star Planetarium. And so it's a little pricier than some of the other ones, but it's considered to be one of the better quality ones. I can't remember how many stars this one projects. It's like 60,000 or something. It's like a really high amount of stars that it produces, and it shows the Milky Way, and there's different projector slides that you can put in there. It's just a very cool, you know, toy. Sega Toys. It's just a very cool toy for adults or kids, you know. So I will put another one up here too. I think it's called the Flux. It's a newer version. I think that's the name of it, but I'll bring it up here on the screen. I'll mention it down below in the description box too. But a little bit pricier, but it just depends on if you're after one that's more accurate as far as the stars and positioning and everything goes, and the Milky Way, versus one that just is a projector, you know, more of like a nightlight type of thing. But anyway, yeah, both Michael and I love this. It's really relaxing, and it does help you go to sleep at night, you know. It rotates, you know, so the Milky Way rotates. It's just the perfect speed, so it just like puts you into this drowsy mood, you know. So if you need help sleeping, maybe a type of projector would help, you know, just to kind of like relax your mood and your energy level and calm your mind as you're going to sleep at night. So I love this. Definitely worth it if you're into home planetariums and things like that, you know. Oh, and I forgot to mention, right on the top here, you can actually adjust the focus of it. So depending on how high your ceilings are or whatever walls it's projecting out to, you can just sharpen it up right on the very top there. So it's super easy to work. Okay, another gift idea are printed items, you know, items that maybe have the moon phases printed on there or the solar system or something, you know, whatever they're interested in. So for example, this is a beach towel that has the moon phases printed all the way around it. It's one of those big roundy towels. Okay, so hopefully you guys are able to see that a little bit, but it's got all the moon phases all the way around. So that's another gift idea, is finding something that's usable, that's functional for them, but also it has that form that's related somehow to astronomy or moon phases or stars or whatever it is that they're into, Jupiter or who knows, you know. So that there's a fine line though. You don't want to just get like any old trinket that has a star print or something. You want it to be like, you know, I try to always aim for that form and function. So if you can find two passions that they're into, you know, something else aside from astronomy, and tie that together, I would try to do that rather than just any old, you know, you don't want to just give them the stuff and things, you know. You want it to be something that's functional for them at the same time. So another idea is like this. I'm into yoga, and so I have a moon phase yoga mat. This is from, oh, actually both of these are from Yoga Zeal, which I got on Amazon. But yeah, it doesn't have to be a yoga mat, but I just wanted to use that as an example of tying two passions that the person might be into together. You know, yoga and astronomy or space, you know. So yeah, items that are totally functional and usable for the person, but also it has their astronomy passion as the aesthetic of it. All right, the sun has officially set. I better let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.